So today we're going to talk about valence shell electron pair repulsion, which means that there is a repulsion present between electron pair of the valence shell of the molecule. What it means is that these two bonds will repel each other in space so that they would be as far as possible, which means that they must have maximum bond angle as maximum as possible. Similarly, we have this molecule here. It would have four hydrogens, and these four hydrogens will push each other, repel each other as far as possible, and the maximum bond angle would be shown in the molecules. So the molecules would be in a way that they are reacting with each other, interacting with each other as less as possible. So I'm talking about two molecules. We have one formaldehyde molecule here which have a double bond, but this double bond does not mean that it have something extraordinary, as I'm showing you that this is a double bond and these two are single bonds. So the molecule would not be affected if the double bond or triple bond is present. The double bond or triple bond would work similar to that of single bond, and similar in the reaction of similar in the molecule of formaldehyde methane. We have four hydrogen atoms and they would keep themselves as far as possible. Now we're going to talk about the geometry. What is the geometry? And we're going to talk about two things around the central atom. What that means is that there are two things present around the central atom, and supposing things. Why am I saying things? I could say bonds, but here we are talking about atoms and also unpaired electrons. In this case, we don't have unpaired electron, but we can see some more examples of this kind where we have unpaired electron on the central atom. So that unpaired electron would affect the geometry. So first example we're talking about is beryllium dichloride. In this beryllium dichloride molecule, we have one beryllium atom as a central atom, and we have two chloride molecules. The electron pairs between beryllium and chlorine are held by beryllium as well as chlorine, and this will give it a linear geometry because beryllium have two electrons in the valence shell, and these two electrons are not going anywhere, and this beryllium atom do not have any unpaired electron or anything else. Also,